Do I really need a coach? Need one? No. Benefit from one? Absolutely. Here at Zoe Wellness Center, we pride ourselves on offering one-on-one coaching throughout your journey. Think of your coach as a mix of an accountability partner and a teacher. Studies show that having an accountability partner can nearly double your chances of success. Seriously. Plus, according to the American Council on Exercise, people guided by coaches were seen losing 9% of their body weight in 24 weeks. And that was significantly more than those who were going at it alone. Some of our members lose that much in just 4 weeks, but who's counting? A lot of people come into our locations and decide not to take the next step, thinking, I can do this on my own. And honestly, they're right. The purpose of your weight loss coach isn't just to empower you or help you feel like you can take control of your health, although that's definitely a perk. No, to us, it's more about showing you how and teaching you why. Because let's be real, if living a healthy lifestyle were really that easy, then maybe we wouldn't have ultra-processed food and overpriced healthy options, crash cleanses, quick fixes, weight loss injections, painkillers, all of these things that are really no different than putting a Band-Aid over a bullet hole. And if it were easy to live a healthy and happy lifestyle alone, then we wouldn't need support systems. That's why having a coach is so powerful. The point is, with the right guidance and strong support, you're not just following a program, you're learning how to make lasting, practical changes that enhance your body, mind, and confidence, all while improving your overall lifestyle for good. Your coach is there to help you navigate challenges, celebrate wins, and build habits that stick. It's that support system that ensures you can turn short-term results into long-term success.